Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about how we can create the RDS. So as you know, this video series is from the 200 credits which we have to get through the new AWS sign up policy, right? So last time we completed EC2 and we set AWS budget, right? And we got 2020 for each, and already 100 we got from while sign up to the AWS account, right? Now today I'll show you how we can create the RDS database and we can get $20. Okay, so let's go and create the RDS database and see. So you have to come in the activities and then here you have to click on RDS database. So basically what is the RDS database we have to know, right? So RDS database is it's a database that is completely managed by fully managed service of AWS, right? And we can set operations in a screen of relational database. Basically RDS is a relational database service, right? And then in this activities which we will perform, so this will be a chargeable, so make sure once you create the database, you should delete, otherwise it will be keep charging your account. If you see here, it is saying like performing this activity will incur the AWS service charges, and these charges will be deducted from your AWS free tier credits. Okay, so once you done your activities, make sure you delete it, otherwise you will lost your all the tip credit. Okay, so let's start the activity. And here it's we have to follow the five step. Okay, so we will not, I'll not explain much, we'll go as recommended by AWS itself. Okay, maybe in my AWS beginner level course series, I'll cover there. So here it's given the post SQL. We can select MySQL also, but let's go with the suggested one by AWS. And because MySQL is not under okay, it's under the feed also. Okay, we can go for MySQL as well and keep all the setting default, username, everything default, master password. So uh, we can give, or if you want to you can generate also, but we can give. Okay, so password I have given, let me give once again. It's saying it's not match, let me type. Okay, now it's match. uh, Keep all this default and let's click on create the database. Okay, so here instead of self-manage, we will do through the manage in AWS secret. Okay, so let's do with this and then now create it. We will wait till it's create. Okay, so database is now in the creating status. Okay, so let's wait for once it's created, we'll see. So those who are in new in my channel, So in upcoming week, I'll be uploading AWS tutorials from beginner level. Okay. So in that, I'll try to cover each and every services, whatever it is possible. You should know at beginner level. Okay. And then another we will after once that video is completed, we'll create the advanced level as well. So already four videos is uploaded in the my channel, and the rest of the video we will upload soon. So it's creating, and also as you know that it will create the secret manager. So what is the secret manager? Secret manager is the service offered by AWS that store our secrets, password and all. So for RDS, it's generated here if you see. And from here, we used to retrieve the secret value. So no secret value set 8. Once it's set, we'll see. So make sure once your activity is done, you should delete your all the created resource. Okay, otherwise it will be chargeable. We will wait and I'll pause the video. Once it is created, I will resume it. Now if you see, the status is changed to configuring the enhanced monitoring. Okay, so still it is in the progress for creating the database. And now it is in the backing up states. So let it create. Now if you see, it's in the modifying state. So it will take some time to create. Okay, and once it is created, you will get your $20 credits. So you'll not find any issue. Yeah, so now you can see the database is in the available state. Okay, and then let's see, the main agenda is the credit, right? So let's see that credit we have got or not. So instead of that, let's come in the management console itself and just scroll down. Yeah, so if you see, we have got $20 for RDS database. Okay, so in this way you can get this $20, and if you see out of 100 we got 60. Now two more are pending. So for this also I'll create video. Now make sure you clean up the things, otherwise it will cost you for credits, and to- it can go beyond that also if you don't have set up the budget. So let's click on action, and there are two stop option, reboot and delete. So let's delete it, and here we'll type delete me. There is a space, that's why it's not taking. So let's click on delete, and after deleting this also, make sure this uh, SSM, sorry, secret manager also get deletes. So for delete also it will take time. So once it is deleted, you can uh, start using any services, and you can utilize the $20 credits. Okay, so thanks for watching the videos, and if you face any issue while getting 200 credits, let me know. I'll try to resolve as soon as possible. Also you can contact me on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Link are mentioned in the descriptions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will get lots of new video on AWS. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.